equation in a fraction form. So the linear equation is given in fraction form. 3x over 5 minus x minus 3 over 2 is equal with x plus 2 divided by 3. So now let's start here. First of all, let me take a pen. First of all, what we are doing, we are trying to find the LCD of all this fraction here. But all of them are prime numbers, so the LCD is a 5 times 2 times 3. So this is the LCD. Before I do anything, I'm going to hold this equation to multiply by 5 times 2 times 3. If I multiply whole equation by 5 times 2 times 3, every term of this equation I am going to multiply by 5 times 2 times 3, and this expression here, this term here, I'm going to multiply by 5 times 2 times 3. So every term, and I'm going to this is 2, and the last term here I'm going to multiply by 5 times 2 times 3. And then I'm going to look, when I multiply, I'm going to see what is in denominator and numerator the same number that I can simplify. And if I'm going here, I'm going to see here is a 5, with a 5 goes away here, it can simplify, and here is 2 with a 2 can simplify, and here is 3 with the 3 can simplify. What I'm going now to do, I'm multiplying everything what remains here. 2 times 3 times 3. 2 times 3, 6 times 3 is 18. So here I have a 18 x, and denominator disappears, so now I don't have a fraction form. I have just a polynomial here in this form. And here 2 divides by 2, and I have 5 times 3 is 15, but the sign is negative here, so I have to be careful in the sign. Is a 15, and in parentheses I have x minus 3. X minus 3. And now this is 3. And now I'm going to the next term. What remains here? 5 times 2 is a 10. 10 times x plus 2. So this is what remains. X plus 2. So now I'm going to expand this one, and I'm going to release it from the factors. Let me do some algebraic work. 18x is here, and here is negative 15 times x is negative 15x. Negative 15x, and the other term is negative times negative is a positive, and 15 times 3 is 45. So we are here in this step, and this is equal to 10 times x is 10x, and here is 10 times 2 is plus 20. So we are in this step here. And now we can simplify a little bit. 18x minus 15x is a 3x. Here's a 3x here. But it's not a letter, I didn't do letter work here in this step, because the rest of it remains the same. But what I'm going to do here now, I'm going to simplify further. This is 20. And now I want numbers to put in the one side and variables in the other. And what I'm doing here, I'm going to minus 20 this side, minus 10x this side, because the variable I want to put in the other side. So in both sides I'm going to subtract by 10x. Okay, and this number I want to put in the other side, so here I'm going to cancel in this side. So I'm going to add the opposite sign with minus 45, and here is minus 45. And now I'm going to see what we can do. First of all, let's see what I can simplify here. Minus 45 plus 45 simplifies. 10x minus 10x, it cancels. So now what remains is a 3x minus 10x is a minus 7x. This is what I have now. And the other thing is in the other side is 20 minus 45 is minus 25. Minus 25. And now everything here I divide by minus 7. Everything. And let me divide here by minus 7. And same thing I'm going here in minus 7. And now everything here cancels. So minus 7 with minus 7 cancels, so it remains just the x is equal with 25 over 7. So this number is going to be positive. Negative by negative is positive 25 over 7. 25 over 7. Or if you want to simplify a little more, to write as we can simplify more. 25 divided by 7 is 3, and 3 times 7 is 21, and is a 4. So this is the last answer.